Welcome into Austria. Welcome in Baffled Always. Welcome in Tradawan.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to a bonus stream as a kind of celebration for having finally finished something that I've wanted to finish. It's no project is ever truly finished, of course. But we have reached phase 1 of the release of my new Twitch layout, which you may have noticed it is very much a Twitch layout. The clip command doesn't work. Did you try and click the button? We could probably watch it. Slash clip doesn't exist. Where are you getting that from? That's not a real thing. Is that even a real clip? I don't think that's a real clip. I don't know if I have... Clips player. Where's the watch? I actually don't know where that runs through. Is it the same one as the shoutout? It could be. Is that a valid clip though? I don't know if that's a valid clip. I feel like that would run through the same one. Hold on. Yeah, that works. By the way. Oh, Jerry's not there. Hold on. Let's see if we can find Jerry. Let's see if we can find Jerry. Jerry, where are you? Let's see if we can find Jerry. I have to move the camera. He's probably chilling down here. There he is. He's chilling. He got a haircut, by the way. But we will get to that. Oh, I've been tagged, JD. Ah, you tagged me in Discord. Okay, let me see. Slash clip. Create a clip of the current stream. How is that a thing? How have I not heard about this? What? That's completely new. Let's ask in the only place to know. Well, yeah, it doesn't work, but it did create a clip. Is this an actual clip? No, it's not an actual clip. I see. So that's why playing that didn't work. Ah, I see. Oh, sorry. Anyway, today is the 1st of August, which is Switzerland's birthday. I don't think it's particularly interesting to do anything that is nationalistic or patriotic or something like that. I don't really adhere much to that stuff. So I'm just here streaming because I have the day off. I figured I would stream with the release of this beautiful Twitch layout and talk to you a little bit and more and expand on it and work on it a little bit. So very informal, very chill. Let me actually try this clip thing. Let's try it out in chat. Clip. I don't have that. JD, is that a extra browser extension thing? I don't have slash clip in my Twitch chat. Does anybody else have slash clip? Because I think that's something coming from an external, another service hooking in. BTTV. Yoast doesn't have it either. Do you have BTTV installed? Maybe you could test it by opening a browser where it's not active. Anyway, I would like to present to you all my Twitch layout and explain a little bit about how we even got here, how this even works. Because, well, it's been a journey. It's been a journey. So I guess the first thing to talk about is, how is this even built? So what part of this layout do you think is static? And what part of the layout do you think is dynamic generated HTML something? I want to hear your answers, chat. And I know most of you don't have the day off. But, you know, maybe you have a moment to spare for guessing this guessing game. Oh, it is BTTV. Okay, good to know. Thank you, JD. See, that's why I don't use these extensions, because they don't work. Because they hook into undocumented endpoints a lot of the time. Like GraphQL and stuff, and Twitch doesn't like that. So Twitch makes changes to those internal endpoints, and then stuff breaks all the time, so that they're actually offering something that isn't reliable. So it's yeah, it's a little bit weird to use third-party extensions on Twitch. Some of them are like, some features are pretty standard, like they, you know, like, I don't know, disabling the viewer count or something. Hi JD, take care of yourself. Let's do a little, let's see if these still work though. I'm gonna do a shout out for you. Because I want to make sure that these still work as well. So let's have a shout out for you.
My head.
Oh, there we go.
It's my head. It's so big. It's like a beehive inside my brain.
Okay, so that definitely works. Dr. Padawan. Also, welcome into everyone. So I should say hi to everyone. Hi, Baffled. Hi, Yoast. Hi, JD. And goodbye. Have a nice lurk. Hi, Dr. Padawan. And who else is around today? It seems we have a couple other visitors in chat. As usual, probably Rugmat's bot. I'm guessing. Maybe even Soy Pete's bot. Or Soy Pete. Even, possibly. Yeah. 9270 is not bad, indeed. That's not bad. I also like how I can now point to the actual drop game. I think it's nicer. Also, none of you have remarked about my headphones. No one said anything about my headphones. I had to get new headphones because my white ones that I was using, they broke. They actually broke. They actually broke. The cable basically snapped, more or less, so. Sorry, I've received an important email.
Welcome in, Rugmat. Welcome in, Rugmatpit.
Oh, wow. Okay. Hello, Rugmat. Need to forward this to my partner. We got some travel information for our cruise in October. So I had to forward that. How you doing, Rugmat? You can't type today. Oh dear. Thanks for welcoming me, robotic female voice. You would like a TTS with more... Would you like a TTS with more character? I can certainly find one, if you like. Although I did ask chat to guess which parts of this stream do you think are static and which parts do you think are not static? Because, yeah, there's some stuff I want to do as well. So I'm also... Yeah, I also would like to get your feedback, chat, on which things could be fun. So let's see. First chat TTS. We got voices here. Emma, British English.
Welcome in, unknown user.
No way you only have 3 viewers. It's possible. I just don't know how often that updates. Also, I don't have a way to get the icon to move dynamically, which is, yeah, very, very disappointing. Right now, I don't have a way to do that. So the spacing will be off. Hey, Rossum.
Garbage.
Oh, wait. I haven't really tested out memes. Where do memes play? Where do memes play? Oh, yeah, they're inside the frame. Okay, that's good. Good, 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 good. Good, very good. I don't want to break the illusion, except for one way. I have decided to break the illusion in one way. And that is if I do this. Oh, not that. If I do this, if I draw my face, for example, and then I want to point out something over here, then I'm actually doing this outside of the frame. Why do the lights turn off? It's so weird. There's something buggy about that. Need to like fix that probably. So yeah, that's the only case where we break the illusion. Everything else should be within the box. So there's Emma, who's English British. There is no theater mode. Nice try. Yet, anyway. There's Brian. We could try Brian. Do we want a female or a male voice is the question.
Welcome in unknown user.
Oh, sorry, that's Brian. Sorry.
Welcome in unknown user.
Oh, that's the classic. That's Brian. What about Joanna?
Welcome in unknown user.
Oh, how come I can't click to type in chat? Well, these are all the things, Rugmat. These are all the things that you will never be able to do. You'll never be able to actually chat into the overlay. That's just not something that's possible. Unless we built a Twitch extension which emulated Twitch chat. And then anyway, we're not going to be going down that route, obviously. How's everybody doing this fine Thursday? I know normally I don't stream on Thursdays, but today is a celebration of cool stuff. So I'm doing pretty well. I have the day off as it's Switzerland's national holiday. And before we get too deep into things, I think we should start with, we should start with the thing that we always start the stream with, right? Rawsome, what are we celebrating? I mean, do you notice anything different about the stream at all? I mean, maybe it will become apparent very soon. Maybe. Let's start. The meme of the day. That's right. Today's meme of the day. It's not Friday. That's true. Today's meme of the day is, of course, an exhibit meme. There's no other possibility here. Like, it had to be an exhibit meme, right? It had to be. You're very unobservant, Rawsome. Are you watching Twitch on a mobile or desktop device? Because, yeah, that would be maybe one of the things to talk about. Desktop, very well. Are you currently in full screen mode for Twitch? Or are you using it in a non-full screen version? I think what you need to ask yourself is, when you look at my overlay, when you look at what you're seeing, non-full screen, yeah, so when you look at my overlay, when you look at me presenting myself within this stream, isn't there something odd about how the fact that the chat on the right-hand side is repeating itself? There's like 2 instances of chat, for example. Or how the left side of the stream says Claw team members and not your actual following list. And for example, that if you look into the profile picture, you can see my face right here. right here. I'm inside this circle. I'm trapped inside this profile picture right now. I am now minified. Did you not notice it was interactive?
Welcome in 4X.
Hey 4X.
Why? Why?
Do you know when Maddie's going to be online? Why is he playing the restream again? This is not a rerun, 4X. How dare you? SecOps gang! Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. You'll take note of that super nice Twitch alert in the corner, by the way. SecOps gang, welcome to the stream. Great having you. Great having you. 9673 from your bot, Rugmat? That is very impressive. It's very impressive. I keep clicking follow and nothing happens. Interesting.
Welcome in Cypher Enigma. Welcome
Hey,
in
Cypher. Good afternoon, Captain. How are you today? This is Sergeant She? How do I pronounce Z-I-Y? I'm doing great. Today we are celebrating the launch of this incredible overlay system, which is entirely built around Twitch's UI. Desktop UI. hence the weirdness.
Welcome in White for NTH3R.
Hello, White Panther. You haven't seen the beginnings of this craziness yet. You haven't even seen the beginnings. Because first of all, here's Chillin' Bunny. First of all, I am a maniac, but check this out. So, I'm in the profile picture. The profile picture is me. I'm animated. because that's the only place to put me now that there's stuff on the screen. Also, who did this to the anti-clown? Sorry. Who did this stupid clown background? Check it out. Look at this. Now we can actually make use of that amazing green screen technology that we've been hearing so much about. This effect, sorry, but like this effect is actually incredible. Thank you, Rugmat, for the clowns, by the way. For me, this effect is... No, I don't want more clowns. Get them out. This is fine. Happy stuff. We've flown too close to the sun. So anyway, this is really fun. What's also fun is the Be Right Back has an automatic clip player, of course. My entire thing is 4 scenes, chat. 4 productive scenes. 4. The whole thing. 4 scenes. Which is awesome. For me, that's awesome. So that's, yeah. Now, what I asked earlier, and when there were apparently not enough viewers here, there's between 0 and 1 viewers right now. We probably have to improve that a little bit. Who knows what parts of this layout are dynamic? Can you guess? I mean, apart from the chat. The chat is very obvious. Could I click some other stuff in the UI? Why is that doing that anyway? The clock and the viewers. Yes, the uptime is indeed dynamic. You might be asking yourself, click a team member and get a clip? That would be cool. We don't have that yet though. So it looks like it's in the stream. We unfortunately don't have that yet, but we're going to have that. That is going to be a feature. That's something I want to work on. You can clip people already. Look, watch. You can just play clips. Like Finite, for example. See? Easy.
Give no quarter to that there scallywag bug. A new function be what ya need.
Uh-oh. Bring Jackson.
Alexa, order 10 toilet rolls.
It's a good thing I don't have an Alexa. But yes, what I want to do, I want to I want to highlight these when someone gets a clip played for them. And I'm not sure how to do that yet. But we're going to figure it out together. And I also want to offer you all a channel point menu. I know this is ambitious, I know. But I want to give you all the chance to use points. The thing is, it'll be more challenging because you need to collaborate. You need to collaborate on it. So how will this work? Well, underneath the chat right now, if you look very carefully at the chat, you'll notice the bottom of the chat window is in broadcaster mode because you don't see channel points there. And there's also like the little shield and stuff. I want to crop the bottom of the chat at the chat box. And I want to... Thank you for interrupting
I'm usually
me.
dressed like a hoe. You guys don't know that. You guys don't know that when I'm sitting behind the desk.
I'm
in
sorry,
this shitty
what?
chair. That one. I'm usually dressed like a hoe.
What an actual clip. Thanks, Cypher. So I wanna crop the bottom of the chat and then have Twitch's default chat layout there so that you can actually open the channel points menu. Now you're gonna ask yourself how this is gonna work. It's gonna work via Atom. So basically you will all have equal probabilities to do everything. There's gonna be no bias, there's gonna be no point system. If you do something in chat, you're gonna have to collaborate on what you want to do exactly. It's not gonna be possible for 10 people to open the menu at the same time because it's a shared menu, right? So if someone does exclamation mark, I don't know, menu, and it opens the menu, and someone else does exclamation mark menu, it'll close the menu again, okay? And you can only activate stuff if the menu is open. Like you can't activate the stuff once you know the commands for the stuff. You can't do it if the menu, it's not up yet, 4X. It doesn't exist yet. It doesn't exist yet. Anyway, yeah, I got new headphones because my headphones broke, in case you're wondering why I'm like fiddling with my headphones. So what is active in here? Oh yeah, I wanted to fix the viewer thing. I don't really know how to get the viewer count accurately. At the moment I'm using a thing in Stream Elements, but I'm not happy with it at all. It's kind of bad. So... like... oh, I see, it's... oh, I have more than... oh, I have 11. Wait. It's doing weird stuff. Okay, I see what it is. I see the problem. It's just badly cropped. It is actually badly cropped. That's what it is. Alright, let's go fix that. So let's show you a little bit behind here how this works. Sys update CrowdStrike Force. Yeah, that would be great. So this one, view count. Custom widget. Here it is.
What?
Settings. Also, the time is 1 second behind. Oh, come on, Panther. It's 1 second behind. Of course. Because I cannot get uptime that easily. Position and style. Let's go with width 35. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now it's correct. But I do need to move it. Position left. Now we're gonna need to go 14, 15, I think. I have to go, but well done, you clown. Thank you, White Panther. I would like to know what it's like with 100 viewers. Because I can't really simulate it right now. Because if there's 100 viewers, it goes over. Oh, that's a strong background. So yeah, I think that's kind of where we're at. Anyway, so how does this work? Well, the alerts are pretty simple. The alerts are a giant box that looks like this in the top right corner. right? And of course, the entire top right corner is the Twitch alert. So I just have the box designed in Figma. And then, here, I'll show you what it looks like. See? So it comes up over chat. Now I added a sound effect, and I don't know, chat, if this is a good sound or not. If you would like to have, because Twitch doesn't actually have a sound effect for follows. So maybe you could suggest a sound that we could use for follows and raids. I do have one right now. So here's the raid one. So here's the raid one, but yeah, I mean, we need maybe different sounds. I don't know. That's something to think about. Anyway, yeah, that's the only thing happening right now. Take these out of the... I'm not using these anymore. The uptime. So, does anybody know how the uptime is working? Because it's actually kind of funny. I don't know if anyone actually knows how the uptime is retrieved. Where is it? View count. And this one. This one. And this one. Okay. So the uptime, to be honest with you, chat, is literally this. Which is why it's a second behind. So if I pause it and resume again, this is now going to be very close to the actual uptime that you see in the browser window. I don't know if there's a better way of having uptime retrieved. However, I do know that you can get the uptime via Twitch's API for a stream, but I think you need to auth to do it. Twitch API stream uptime. I think you need to auth to get it, right? Viewer count and uptime. You would need to call the get streams, return stream data while live. Response. Yeah, start it at, and then do minus. You'd have to do some math yourself. I don't know how easy that is to do in OBS. I'd like to have it native in OBS. That would be really cool. But I don't know if that's possible. That would be insanely cool. The idea that I had for doing it in OBS was the following. OBS supports, with a plugin, it supports calling a URL for an API. Also, by the way, I did add something funny. I don't know if you all want to hear it. It's quite funny. Do y'all want to hear this hilariousness? Hold on. I have to include it somewhere, probably. Let me put it in here for a second. Scene. Okay. This is how it's gonna work, chat. It's not great formatting. So I found a thing that can call the API from the dad joke API. So basically, I can have it read us a dad joke. Which is funny. Let's try it out. Let's see how it works.
Why was the broom late for the meeting? He overswept.
so dumb. It's so dumb, but it works. It's so dumb, but it works. I was thinking of giving you control for this, chat.
Why did the chicken get a penalty for foul play?
There's like no pause in between the joke and the punchline, which is a problem.
I used to be addicted to the hokey pokey, but I turned myself around.
Is the voice very clippy for you as well, chat? Or is the TTS voice very smooth? Because I was kind of wondering about that, because apparently there's some issue with monitoring it. But I don't want to change this stuff while streaming, because that's always precarious, to say the least. But yeah, anyway, that's kind of one of the ideas I've had. It's one of the ideas I've had. But yeah, the highlight thing. So the left side, this side, the left side stuff here is a static thing right now. And I don't know how exactly, but if you write SO clip, I think we can detect that and then show a slightly different opacity depending on whose SO clip it is. So that's something I want to implement. And that's actually easy enough to do, I think. So let's try and do that. I think we need to open Figma for this. To make the opacity thing, right? So let's see. Let's see. I need to turn off this. I need to have this left bar. That I don't need. Okay. So left bar is here. And then we go White Panther. And then there isn't an element specifically, but we can actually just make a new shape that is the same size. Let's call this highlight. Oh, what? Oh, because this is a component. Ah. Okay, that's... I need to make the highlight. Oh, I didn't know this could happen in Figma. What? I didn't know that was possible. Okay, hold on a second. Maybe I can just... Wait, I have a better idea. What if I just change the fill? Ah, here we go, yeah, this works. So if I change the fill of this to purple, like that, or actually the Twitch purple, because, oh, maybe the button purple is better, like that. So this would be the highlight for each person. And now I could just hide everybody. Oh no, I could export this thing. I could export this thing as its own thing. Oh yeah, I could do that. I could export this section. Yeah, hold on. Let's do like that. So let's do export this, and we'll do chat white. Let's do just White Panther. I'm gonna save this in my downloads folder briefly. Okay, now let's get to the ATOM part. Can we detect with ATOM when we do a shoutout? That's the big question. And then show that as a source. Oh, right, we have to add it to OBS. Sorry. Let's add it to OBS. Let's add it to... What is it? Twitch UI. Twitch UI layout. PFP. We could just add it to the base. I guess we could add it to the base. Okay, I'm in share mode. I'm just gonna add it here for the moment. Image. White Panther. Okay. Now we go to the downloads. Get the image. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay, so now we have this crazy image. Oh, I just realized something. No, that doesn't work. Never mind. I could put this above this one. And now what I want to do is just toggle this, right? I want to be able to toggle this purple thing. So I go to... Might have to disable the green screen for this. It's a bit odd. Might have to disable the green screen because of this colors. For a second. Sorry for your backgrounds, chat. Just so you can see this more clearly. What would this rule be? This is a chat-based rule. So let's do a new chat-based rule. Let's call it, what should we call this rule? SO clip highlight. So the trigger will be device ATOM. Oh no, sorry, Twitch chat message. Chatter is optional. The chat message has to be SO clip white panther. Now, because it has to be exactly this, can I use variables? I can't use variables here, can I? Hold on, we're not ready for testing yet, Rugman. Too early. Too early. Too early. No. Too early. I'm gonna put a stop command on my stream deck too. I'm gonna put a stop command on my stream deck. No, I don't want clips of me. I don't want clips of me.
So like I said last time, if it is annoying for me moving...
Let's change this icon here. Stop. Uh-oh.
Well, everybody's heard about.
No.
Go here. Chat, you've lost, haven't you? C3PO. No matter where you go, even if you go A1 or B3. No, Panther, what did you do? What have you done? So, this is kind of interesting.
No, it's not. No. Okay. So, SO clip. What's it gonna do? Hold on, we're not testing yet. Chat. Oh, his aspect ratio is so different. This looks like a trash clip. Hit clip hygiene. You need clip hygiene. B7. Although I think he's streaming right now, is he not? I think he's online. Maybe. Maybe. So today was meant to be something different, by the way. Today was meant to be a different surprise. And unfortunately, I needed to go with the fallback because the real thing is not ready yet. But when it is, you are going to... It's going to blow your socks off, chat. It's going to blow your socks off, I promise. What do we want to do? We want to change source visibility. Scene is... Oh. What? Why isn't it getting my scenes? What's happening here? Okay. Weird. Hold on. Integrations. Just gonna kick a refresh on that. Oh, here we go. So this scene is called Twitch UI Share. And the source is called White Panther. I'm gonna set it to visible. Okay, now you can test. Someone write SO clip White Panther, and it should, in theory, highlight the White Panther clip, the White Panther text element on the left-hand side. Now the question is how long to wait before unhighlighting it, because we need to wait a certain amount of delay to undo it again. Maybe like, I don't know, 30 seconds? Hidden. Okay. I will do it because all of you are busy. Oh, it worked. Yep. It's already highlighted.
I caught mum and dad making babies in a lift. It was wrong on every level.
That's fun. But how do we know what the duration of the clip is? We don't. We'll just have to go with the average.
Like and subscribe. Bye!
I think we'll just have to go with the average, right? What you doing with my YouTube channel, Cypher? Okay. So how can we make this work for every single one of them without having a different... Can we variabilize this somehow? Can we use a variable here? No fallback value. Data check. Data check. Get user info, no. Rule check. Variable. Twitch username. Local variables only have values when running. Equal to value of message. Oh, this could work. Does the funny YouTube command bump into the subscribe alert by design? Yes, kind of. Kind of. How do we feel about the profile picture, by the way? It's a bit small, right? I couldn't find a different way to do this. Like, obviously this is like, there's so much real estate here. And then there's this version. Maybe there needs to be a 50-50 version. Or like A does. One like, what do you call it? Like vertical one here, 1/3 vertical, and then 2/3 screen share or something. We're gonna pretend it's by design. Exactly. Yeah. Totally. Do I need to make a rule for every single... Yeah, it's not gonna know which one. Switch case. Twitch message. Yeah, see, here's the thing. In a block of the message, you can't compare, you can only compare the exact message. Okay, we could do that. We could do that. So if we do SO clip, And then there's no fallback. Copy that to block 1. Delete this. Delete that. Delete this. What's this? So if I do SO clip white panther, and this is the message. And then I have, for everybody, I have a variable or not. Maybe not. Maybe I don't even need that then. I only need to check on SO clip which person it is. And then have each relevant source stored in the Twitch UI. Can I bump this up? I need to check something. Can I bump this up? I can. Okay, so that could work. That could work. Alright, I think that works. Let's try with a second version. We need a second version just to make sure. So we're gonna do one. We're gonna do one for finite. Oh, what color is this? 1F23. Huh?
Welcome in, Karayan.
Hey, Kara. How you doing, Kara? We don't have the 1F value. Interesting, okay. Interesting. Well, I guess we'll just do it this way. Okay, we're gonna do finite because finite's next in the list. We're gonna go with Twitch button BG. Good to see you, Kara. What do you think of the new layout? Oh, I turned off the background because of Atom. Hold on. Wait, hold on. I'll change it again. There you go. Ooh, nice background. Very nice. Okay, so finite. Now we're gonna export this. Export this to downloads. Call it finite. Oh no, sorry. Call it this finite singularity. Okay. Not quite sure what is going on. Well, basically, you can see in the top corner, maybe it's easier like this. So up here, when someone gets shouted out, I want to highlight their name. And I think, very yo dog. And I think I can do some interesting stuff because, I can actually activate things like, for example, transition, show transition. You can do like blink show transition stuff. So if you do stinger, how would that look? I'm not sure how that would look. Maybe we can get like a blink transition. Let's see if this works. Oh yeah, that does work. The slide works. We can make it faster. Okay, everyone watch. I'll watch where White Panther's name is. I've been following the work. I've just been huffing B2B sales fumes, so I'm finally able to listen. So if you watch Panther's name, you see how it highlights? Like that? I want it to blink instead. I don't know how to get something to blink. Fade to color. Oh, that might work. Hold on. Fade to color and then white. That might work. That might work. I don't know if that works. Let's find out. Oh! What the? That does it on the whole thing? Oh, because it's... Yeah, of course. Because it's moving the entire source. Ah, okay. Yeah, okay. Maybe we have to do this differently. Well, anyway, we have 2 now. We have 2. So we go to Atom here. And then in Atom... Need more space. In Atom we do... I mean, we could do like a toggle thing here. So 5-second delay, and then a 0.1 second delay, and then a 0.1 second delay, and then hidden again after 30 seconds. What would this look like? Let's just get it right first before adding a second one. So we're gonna clip White Panther and then boom.
I caught mum and dad making babies in a lift. It was wrong.
The rule didn't execute. It didn't execute. Why didn't it find this? Twitch message. Rugmat is not currently streaming. Did you add a new command to your bot? That's cool. Why didn't that work though? Weird. I mean, the Twitch message, because you're a bad programmer. This doesn't trigger. Why not? I don't understand. This should be finding... Where's Dust? Dust, are you here? Dust isn't here. I don't think Dust is here. Why isn't this working? Switch case. I mean, this is case when. Twitch message. Maybe I can post it to chat. Maybe I can post it to chat to see what it is. Chat. Send chat message as broadcaster. Chat message is Twitch username, Twitch message. Okay, we're gonna try this again. Oh, this isn't... That's why. I get it. Because this is not... This is not wildcard. This is not wildcard. That's why. Yeah. This isn't wildcard. Ah. So we do need one rule per member. Unfortunately. Okay. Well, then we know. Let's see how it works. Excitement in regex. It unfortunately doesn't work. I wish.
Hello.
Okay, it didn't blink. Didn't blink nearly enough for me. I don't know if it's like... Did any of you see it blink? I did not see it blink. I have to see it blink. Sorry. Okay, I have to watch it properly. Okay, I'm gonna watch it as I send the message. Oh wow, Rugmat! 9709! Very impressive. Okay, it executed.
No. I mean, like, you're the trash.
Oh yeah,
so
that does
why don't you
work.
Take yourself out, yo.
Cool. Okay, that works. So now we can just copy. We can just copy that. New command works. Nice. Finite is currently streaming software. Oh, nice. Is live. Maddie _ two shoes. Can I use it? Oh, nice. So your bot responds to anybody in the chat. That's cool. 11 viewers. It says 8. It says 8. Does anybody know an easy way of doing that actually? Of getting the view count in OBS? Is there an easy way to do that? Twitch view count OBS. Viewer subscriber counter. The OBS script displays a live counter, blah blah blah. Live viewer count private only. How to add a Twitch viewer count to OBS. Is that a thing? Ah, it's a widget. It's a widget from Streamlabs. Yeah, it's a widget. Yeah, it's a browser overlay. But the thing is, I have to be able to style it very precisely so that it fits exactly there, right? Yeah. So, quick break time, I think. You can also see the BRB screen, although it's technically the same. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna grab my water and stuff. Wrong scene. You're on the wrong scene. Change scene now. I've been thinking about quality in the context of many creators at the moment in the tech space.
Why?
Like Salma and Jason and others. Turned off ad previewing for subs. Advertisement formats. Meta clips. Meta clips. Meta clips. Meta levels. 9 levels of clips. 8 levels. Meta clips. 8 levels. Any of you who have turbo, n equals 6. I'm glad you're so amused by that. Really. Oh wait. She's speeding up. She's getting faster. Oh! She's speeding up. Her cadence changes during the pronunciation. Ooh, a 20 in there. Just running low on batteries. I'm ready. Turned off ad previewing for subs. Advertisement formats. Meta clip. Meta clips. Meta clips. Meta clips. The meta clips. I'm so glad I wasn't here for the meme DDoS though. To be honest. These lights are just... The lights get messed up from 90 million lumens. I don't know why, but they do. No, Rugmat. It's fine. You don't need to play it again. It's totally fine. That's all good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I need to decide where to put these assets, though. So the White Panther thing, gonna have to go into this.
Another powerful reason for insisting on Intel Inside.
Yeah, of course. I mean, Intel is... Memes all played inside the box. That's good. That's good. I mean, Rugmat, I obviously have a thing to break immersion. Like, I can obviously draw outside. But the only reason I'm drawing outside is so that it's a fun thing to break the immersion, to break the fourth wall and be like, haha, you know, I can like draw down here. I can just write to you little messages there. But that's the only case where I'm breaking the immersion. So let's add these things to OBS. Should I bring OBS over here so you can see this? And then we'll do the ADEM part. Maybe you want to see that part. The immersion is great, huh? It's perfect immersion. What happened, chat? Well, OBS doesn't like being moved around while it's live. That's the result of that. Are we back again? I don't know if I'm actually live again. I hope so. Yeah, okay.
Welcome in Mimi_2shoes.
Hey, Mimi2shoes, hello. You're lucky that you just came in because we just crashed OBS. We just crashed OBS. Okay, the desktop share and stuff works. Okay. Yeah, I think moving OBS during stream, it does something. Oh, I don't have the menus now. When you lost connection, the immersion broke and didn't show the disconnection screen with your overlay. Oh, I totally want to do that, by the way. I want to have the disconnect be inside the box. I think I need to kill OBS again in order to get the menu back. No. Crap. Snap. Okay, I need to kill it. I need to kill it again very quickly. Because, yeah, I'm not going to get the menu back. Give me 1 second. So I'm just going to force quit OBS and restart again. Basically, OBS's context menus, I can't... Like, when it crashes, it breaks it so that you can't actually see the context menus anymore. So now I want to add a source. I can't do that. I can't do it. Yeah. I'll be right back. Actually, I have to force quit. How do you force quit? Oh, you got to do activity monitor. Probably. OBS. How do you force quit? There. Ah. Okay. We're back. It ended the stream and now this is a new one. No, it's not. No, no. It was not over 90 seconds. There was disconnect protection. Please tell me it didn't restart the stream. That would suck. Oh. Twitch. So the uptime is wrong. The uptime is wrong. Maybe this wasn't such a good idea, chat. Do I have regrets? Maybe. I literally can't access this. None of them work. The context menus still don't work. Okay, wait, I gotta quit something. Because sometimes I feel like that interferes with it. Maybe not. It's still broken. I don't want to drag it over because it might... Okay, let me show you. Let me show you. If I can. So here's OBS, right? You see how everything is like... I can't actually click... I don't see the overlay come up. I press plus and it's somewhere. It's definitely somewhere, but it's hidden. I don't know how to get it. And I can't, for example, I can't turn off preview. Like here, normally when you right click here, you'll have a preview menu where you can do something. You can't do it. And it removed my pin message, didn't it? I don't know why that happens. There's just... I don't know how to fix it. That's the thing. I have no idea how to fix that. Other than restarting the machine completely. Tools. Like maybe there's something being drawn on screen somewhere? No? I don't know. Like maybe there's something drawing on the screen, giving it like a conflict or something. I have no idea. It's super annoying, that's the thing. I'm so afraid that it's gonna like delete one of my things. Let me lock the dogs. Hold on. There must be something I can do to do this. OBS context menus. OBS context menu, macOS hidden. OBS's drop-down and context menus are invisible. View docs reset UI. No. Not doing that. Okay. That's not Mac. That was someone on Windows. Macro screen capture, blah blah blah, doesn't respond. Context menu not showing in OBS. Display capture. Could be something with display capture, maybe. But of course I can't edit any sources. Oh. Did you add the awful Apple TV one? Apple TV? Oh no. That's live chat. That Twitch adds that on its own. Because it's the live chat box. Oh my gosh, it actually ended my stream. What an absolute... What an absolute... Oh, impressive stream. Yeah. The only thing impressive is that I'm not turning off my machine. Yeah, and I can't see any OBS context menus. Okay. So that goes out the window. Then we're gonna do... Yeah, I know I disabled it, Cypher, and then it disappears for a while. But then it comes back again. And I wrongly told someone that they didn't need a third-party thing to disable it, but you do. Okay, well, I can't do anything in OBS now, so we're just gonna continue. We're just gonna continue with Figma stuff. So one thing that I need a screenshot with channel points for the menu thing. So if I go to the header, where is it? I have a couple of templates. There we go. This is the new layout even, with bits. That's the old one. That's not good. That's with bits. That's also with bits. Should I add the bits? Because you can't use the bits in this channel, which is a bit disappointing. This is the one that I wanted. Because I don't want the updated channel points symbol. Although I could make it a custom symbol. Actually. Now that I'm thinking about this, I actually could make these a custom symbol. That could be kind of interesting. So I want to crop from here. How tall is this? Uh, 90 is the top of the chat box. Okay. 90 is top of the chat box. I'm gonna remember that. I'm gonna put a little text note here. Top of chat box. 90 px. 90 xp. No, px. There we go. All right. So the idea would be to have both the bits and the channel point display here. Not that you can do anything with bits, but just as a joke. So let's get to creating. I think we're gonna make a custom shape for this one. Maybe I can copy it, actually. Do I have it in one of the other layouts? Do I have it in another layout? Hold on. In the header. I do, I have the bit symbol in the header. Look at that! I have it already. So I can copy it and put it into... Where's chat? Right bar. I don't have a right bar yet. Let's make a new one. This thing is still locked. There we go. I need to put this in something. Or do I? No, maybe I don't have to. Hold on. Template. Which one was it? This one. No, this one. Oh, look. It's exactly the same. Just needs the better purple. Come on. How do I... So... Okay, this is header left bar, video player, about, follow, view count, uptime, share, kebab. So it's gonna go here. There we go. Okay. Oh, interesting. This symbol is different. Huh? Oh, no, it's not. Sorry. Is this the same purple? It's not. Oh no, sorry. Hold on. No fill. Stroke. Twitch text links. It's weird that they used a different purple for that. Strange. Okay, but that's the same. So we're gonna call this, we're gonna put this in a group. I don't have the channel points one yet, do I? No, I don't. Okay, so let's make a channel point one. Channel points. I'm guessing my normal audience is not around at this time, right? Like, typically. I should probably just start from scratch on this, shouldn't I? I think I should just start from scratch, maybe. Because you'd be up in arms about points. Maybe. Would you? That's the question. Would you be up in arms about points? Put this in here. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. So this is going to be no fill. And then a stroke. That was the correct size. So it looks like it's a stroke inside of 3. No, too much. The bait hurts my soul. It is a reminder of a long time past. Well, look, I'm gonna give you options, okay? I'm gonna give you stuff to do with it. So don't worry. Okay, this also needs to be this weird Twitch text links. Okay. Outer circle. I'm gonna give you this as a menu. This is the thing, okay? You're gonna be able to open a menu, and then when you open the menu, you can select one of the menu items, just like the channel points feature. It would be fun if it were a community point goal. Well, everybody is gonna have to try and do it on their own. Okay, I need to have a line. And then I think I can just... I don't know if this is right. Does that look right? Looks a bit weird. How did they do this? It needs to be like on a curve. Ah, I could just curve it. Oh, wow. And then your UI GUI decrements. What? What? What are you saying? What are you saying? Twitch text links. This is actually not half bad. Where is that thing? Inner accent. That's really not bad. That's pretty good, right? I mean, at scale, you're not going to notice the difference. I don't think any of you are going to see this difference. Impossible. Okay, then we need the text part. We can steal that from somewhere else. Let's steal that from the... That looks to be the same. That looks like 4.7. That actually looks like the notification text. Notif. It looks like this text in the notification. This. Block that up. Get it away. Go over here. Yeah, we could get there with this. We could definitely get there with this. Can someone... Oh, wow. I can't even do this now. Can someone go to a stream and inspect this for me? Because this doesn't look quite right. What font weight is this? Does anyone have the font weight for this? That doesn't seem right. I think it's 13, but I think it might be medium. Or even semi-bold. It's not bold. Could be semi-bold. Might be semi-bold. That doesn't look bad. Okay, don't go to another stream. No, it's fine. I found it. It's good. I thought it would be more difficult, but it wasn't. Cheer amount. Okay. So the cheer is in here. All good. Perfect. Okay. I think... What should this value be, chat? How many bits do you want to have in chat? Like, what should the number be? I'm thinking it should just say 69k, because I think that's hilarious. Like, to have 69,000 bits is anyway ridiculous, but I think it should say 69k. Maybe 6.9. 6.9? Whatever you want, chat. I'll do it. And then let's go to channel point amount. You think it should be an actual balance? Well, we will get there, Cypher. We will get there. With Atom, I think there is potential to have all of you track a point system. Maybe it's a community amount. Maybe it's a community amount, I don't know. But then we only need one of these systems. Then there's no channel points. Then there's no channel points. Then it's just 0. I mean, I will give you 420 channel points just because, well, you should have 420 channel points. Because that's also a funny number. Okay. This is a weird track. Let's do some trance instead. No, I know what you mean, Cypher. I I know what you meant. Definitely. Okay, so now we have that. Do I need to recreate the other part? Yes, I do. I need to recreate the bottom part of chat. Because, I need to recreate the bottom part of chat because this is the non-broadcaster mode. This is non-broadcaster mode. Which template was I using? Crap, I don't have a template with no badge. Okay, we'll just use this one. Okay, so we need this thing back in here. Where is that? Rectangle, here we go. This is going to be called chat bottom. Chat, you're a bottom. Did you know that? Okay, we're gonna do 20% on this just so I can see what I'm doing. This is perfect. All right, I need to do a couple things here. I need to make these gear and the emoji and the button, and I need to make this border. Are you dropping a sad face? Oh, let's drop a money bag. Oh, that didn't even drop. What? I'm not allowed to drop anymore? It's just the at me face. Okay. How do I get this perfectly nice box here? Well, do we already have something like that? I wonder. Do we have somewhere this weird line box? I suppose we could just steal it from the button, from the header. We could steal it from one of those, but we could just recreate it. I think it's not a big deal. Rectangle. Like that. No fill. It needs a stroke center, outside. No, inside. Inside, corner radius 3. No, 4. Oh, it's 4. It's 4 this time. And then we need this is the chat box border. Let's call this chat box. Chat box. Does this need a background? I'm actually kind of wondering, does this actually need a background on it? Maybe, yes. What color is this? 1818B. 1818B. Are those in the variables? Yes, Twitch BG Gray. Some weird music today, chat. Let's go with jazz. Let's go with jazz. Where did it go? This one. Library, Twitch BG Gray. There we go. Okay. Chat box. What color is this? 67676B. 6767. We don't have that gray yet. Okay. Then I guess it's getting its custom color. Boom. Okay. And then... what color is this, though? BABABB. Sounds like a Super Mario code. We don't have that either. Does Twitch have slightly different color variations for everything? Oh, I just realized if we cut the left side, we also need to continue this border. Do you see this border right now in chat? In the stream?
Irish John Games.
Hello, Irish John. He indeed does have 2 shoes. It's true! Did you know that? Hi, John. Do you see a border here? Can someone zoom in? Because I can't do it right now. Specifically here, is there a gray border next to chat? I don't think there is one. I feel like there isn't. Is there one? I can't see it. Okay, so if I crop, I'm gonna have to recreate this border too. Because otherwise... what the... no? Can I make a border just on the left, is the question. Jern, how are you doing? Let's do a shout out for Jern. I'm using Dark Reader and BTTV, so use that information at your own discretion. I don't think Dark Reader is doing that for you. Irish John Games. There's always a risk of swearing, so if there's swearing, we'll stop your clip. John. Just so you know.
I like the music in the trailer as well. Conducted in Barty's bathroom, by the way. Using an ass trumpet, I think that they're called.
Ass trumpet. What's up with you, John? Jern? What's going on? Okay, so as you can see, I'm in the profile picture right now for Twitch. And the reason is because I have a new layout. And it's... yeah, it's a bit weird. It's a bit weird. Stroke. Can I choose just to have stroke on one side? Yes, I can. Stroke left. Awesome. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Stroke left. Outside. Nice. Stroke color is this color. Whatever that color is. Okay. Good. So now we have that continuous line there. Which means... well, that's... it's kind of off. A little bit. What if I do center? No. Weird. In the spirit of finite, would you consider recording a clip of an empty chair that lives on the BRB screen? That's actually... that's a funny idea. That's a funny idea. That's a very fun idea. I actually like that. Okay, I can't get it to be 100%. But I don't think anyone is gonna notice that. Like, can you notice this? Are you gonna notice this on stream? This is the question. I can't try it now. I'm just gonna have to trust that it's correct. I don't think you'll be able to see it, is my feeling. Okay, so... okay, but... Cypher, so... recording a clip of an empty chair, and then when I go BRB, I don't play clips? Hold on, let's try this. Oh, my camera's not on here. It would just play this clip instead. That's kind of funny. It would just, ah, yeah. It would just be on top of the clips, and then how would you run it? Oh, because you'd hear my voice. I see. I see. I'll have to record one. I'll have to record. I don't have video of the empty chair. But yeah, we'll have to record one. It's a funny idea. Can you DM me on Discord? Can you DM it to me? Just empty chair meme recording or something. So I don't forget, because it's actually a very good idea. Okay, so we have the line, we have the thing. Yeah, that is funny. Especially if I don't want it to play clips.
Why?
I could even have an alternative break mode. I could have a duplicate of that scene, actually. I'm just thinking now. I could have a duplicate of that scene. Okay, send a message. Gonna take the cheer amount. We're gonna go into here. We're gonna put chat box into here. And then we're gonna group this together as chat box. And then we're gonna call this border. A broken clock is right twice a day. You can have a fake break too, where you're still down in the circle. Yes. So I could do like this. I could be down in the circle and have the chair clip playing up there. It's true. It's true. It's true. What should the placeholder message be is the question. Here I want to do something funnier. Because I don't want it to just say send a message. I think that's boring. I think it should say something else. I think it should say something else as a joke. The text is definitely too bold though. Send. This is probably... yeah, regular. When was the last time you actually read this? No, it has to be still a placeholder for typing in chat. Does anyone actually read these? This is pretty funny. So Atom just launched their multi-streaming plugin. Very exciting. Weird. I need a badge though. Doesn't feel like it's thick enough. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's the color that's off. That's what it is. It's the color. There we go. It's the color that was off. So who's going to ban you first, Twitch or YouTube? Twitch can't ban you for doing this, by the way, because I'm not using any of their assets. I'm actually remaking all of the assets in Figma, so they can't accuse me of content theft. Okay, I need a picture for this. I need a pixelated picture. A badge. What badge should we have, chat? What should it be? 20 by 20 pixels. Badge. Imitation? But I'm not offering other people to stream on it. Like, I'm not giving other people this overlay. Okay, I'm not happy with jazz either. Let's go lo-fi. It's the easiest. What badge do you think we should have, people? I'm open to suggestions. Choose an image. Thank you, Cypher. Just saw your message. Ooh, I could use an emote. I could use one of my emotes. I could use one of my emotes. Which emote do we think would work? How about the butt?
Welcome in stream elements.
Like the sequel one. I don't know if it's recognizable enough. It still needs to be an image, yeah. The sequel one is a bit of a joke. The wave one is not bad. The wave is pretty good. I think the wave one is pretty good, actually. Because it's like saying hello to you in chat. It's actually kind of funny. I love these emotes, by the way. It's a little bit of a shame that we can't use them anymore. At least you can't use them. I can. Wait, you can use the wave one? How are you able to use the wave emote?
Why?
Wait.
Why?
Is everyone able to wave?
Why?
Are you all able to wave to me? Still? Oh, because those are follower emotes. Oh yeah, okay. Okay. Then I'm not so okay. Yeah, okay. Alright, what are we missing here, chat? What are we missing? Oh yeah, okay, the symbols. Yeah, just spam the chat with emotes. Totally. Yeah. Great. Alright, let's make this emote. Circle. A would be so proud of me right now. Self-regulated emote only chat. It's true. I don't need to put the chat in emote only anymore. You all just do it for me. It's great. Oh, I do need that. I actually need that. Who read the recap, by the way? Who read the recap from the data viz? Did anyone have a look at my data viz that we did for the challenge? I know Cypher saw it, and I know one or two. I know Sequel Shake is not a follower emote. I know. Oh, you saw it on LinkedIn, Kara. Nice. Are you a follower on LinkedIn? That's lovely. Thank you for that. I guess I could just eclipse. Hype! Major hype.
Welcome in Jero and Van Wizen.
Hello, Jaren. Are you confused? That's kind of good, though. That's kind of the point. Cries in unobtainium. Jaren, didn't you offline raid Panther earlier by mistake? Wasn't that the thing that happened to you? Good to see you here. Sorry, didn't you raid Panther earlier today? I hope you had a good stream. I have indeed made the most confusing overlay on Twitch. And that's kind of the point, because I just got tired of being normal. So I figured, why not just do something weird? Slow workday co-working stream. It's a very slow day to hear today because I'm in Switzerland and today is our national holiday. So I can stream for like another hour or two, but then the fireworks are going to start. And then it's going to be very difficult to do anything at all. Yeah. We could raid Panther after stream. But I think we're going to raid someone else. Someone else is doing something very fun today. So if they're still on when we finish up, then we're going to do that. Yeah. So, I am currently making the bottom part of chat, because right now the bottom part of chat comes from the chat overlay where I'm logged in as, and so you don't see bits or channel points or yeah, the shield icon and stuff is actually not for you, it's for me. So it's confusing and I don't want it to be confusing, so I'm actually doing that. And if you haven't noticed, my face is actually in the profile picture. In Switzerland, the national holiday is celebrated on August 1st. This day commemorates the founding of the Swiss Confederation in 1291. That's right. I need the bottom part of the smile. Can I make a circle that stops? Can I make a half circle? What? Well, same result. same result. It's fine. Smiley face is achieved. I've done nearly nothing today. I work as a test engineer. We had too many issues with our dev and test environments, so mostly sitting in meetings and listening and almost falling asleep. That doesn't sound too bad, though. We're going to group this as smiley. No, it's called emote. Emote picker. This is the emote picker, right? In chat. Yeah, it is. Exactly. I'm gonna put that up here in the chat box. Okay. I'm actually getting pretty good at making this stuff in Figma. I'm actually kind of surprised at myself. Oh, okay. This is gonna be more tricky, chat. How would we make a shape like this? Okay, the inside is a circle. Let's do the easy part first. That's a circle. Fill, done. This no fill, but stroke. Can you like... I don't know how to make that. Is that even correct? Seems like it's not correct. It might be like this. It's a weird shape, isn't it? Center. That might be better. Okay, center and then 2. Nope, that's too big. So center 1. But how do we get these little triangle spikes? Do we just have to make triangles? Maybe. Maybe we just have to make them. Although they're not triangles, are they? They're like squares. I think they're squares. What the heck? Is that gonna look right? That actually doesn't look too bad. Gotta rotate this, obviously. Ah! How do I rotate again? Yeah. Oh, wow. This is... I don't know how to do this. This is where A comes in. With, like, mad skills. Oops. 1047, 1046.5, and then 1044.9, 1045.3. Okay. So how do we make one that's exactly the opposite of this now? Okay, we have to rotate it. I have to get the angle right. 4777. 47.77. Okay. But I want to align it with this one. Crap! I can't. 104 6.5. 1046.5. Why is that? Why is that not the same positioning, chat? That's so strange. That doesn't make any sense. There must be a better way to do this shape. Maybe we can find this shape. Can we find this shape? Maybe we can find it. Looks very specific though. How do I search again? Ear icon. Oh. Just designed a slick gear icon. Okay. Okay, we don't need the ellipse. We already have that. It's this thing we want. Oh, interesting. This is not bad. Maybe not spiky enough. Guess we'll find out. Wait, did Twitch use this one? Did Twitch use this? Did Twitch use this one? Feels like they used this. Maybe Twitch actually did use this one. Um, 1.5. Okay. Okay. 1.2. And then we add the circle again. Without fill. With stroke only. Ah, that could work. That might work. What was this again? 1.1? Oh, it's, yeah, okay, it needs to be 1 actually. And then these need to be filled. I don't know how to do that. How do I fill this tiny little area? With little circles? Maybe squares. Or triangles. Maybe just make little triangles. To fill it. It's a bit absurd, but like... maybe that's the way to do it. Yeah, I mean... no one's complaining, right? Oh no. Ah. Okay, so what I learned is you can also do like half things, which is kind of cool. Oh, Rugmad, did your... no, 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 no. Did your bot just land? I think you did it. I think you did it. I think you've done it, Rugmat. I think it's happened. It's actually happened.
Wow.
You've actually done it. You've actually landed. It's not 100. It's not 100. It's not 100, but... oh my god. I can't believe this. 99.89. It rounds up. Also, the target was 99.77. It was 99.77 as a target. So, I need 1 second. Just give me a second here. Rugmat, you're about to have a little... You're about to have a little celebration. That's only 3 minutes. Might be enough time.
You know just how time consuming it can be.
No, I do not. Okay, here we go. Close this without going over. Rugmat, congratulations. After 3.5 years, you have finally, when no one else could do it, using your bot account as evidenced by right there, you have managed to land almost 100 in the drop game. It rounds up to 100. As a proud member of this community, you are aware that there is a prize to be won for such an extremely incredible achievement. The achievement warrants something special, something unique, something that no one else will have. For that reason, I have to find them. For that reason, you are going to receive, provided that you are willing to share your physical address, a gift box from me. Contained within that gift box are numerous items, things that I've collected over the years, things that I want to share with the community. And now I want to share those things with you, along with a handwritten note and maybe also some food items. But you will receive a care package from me as congratulations for being the person closest to hitting 100 in the drop game. And now that we've had someone hit 100 in the drop game, 100, the target amount is now going to reset. So from this stream on, from now on, the target will now also be 100 again. And with each stream, we will reduce it by 0.01. So Rugmat, would you please do me the honor and pleasure of sending me your address details either via Discord, direct message. You can also ask for my email address. I will give you my email address. But yes, that is what you are getting. And I can show you one item that you will get in this care package, because I'm sure that you can already imagine, but it is actually tiny hands. You will get a pair of these tiny hands. These are actual tiny hands that I have used to code on stream. So they are used tiny hands. And I hope that you will enjoy them. Rugmat, what say you about this momentous occasion? What are your thoughts? Can you redeem tiny hands? For Figma? Are you nuts? That's not happening. Not right now. Maybe soon you will be able to redeem tiny hands. Maybe soon. Rugmat, what say you about this momentous occasion? Microphone is... This occasion calls for a bunny suit. It's like 36 degrees here. Do you realize that? I've turned off the air conditioner for streaming because it's so loud.
Welcome, it's Jonathan.
Hey, Jonathan. It's so loud. Okay, it's 22 outside, okay? It's 22 degrees outside. But inside here right now, it is, I think, 27 or 27 and a half. And that's also the wrong Zurich. Oh yeah, that's wrong. That's wrong. It's, you have to do ZRH probably. Yeah, there you go. See, it's 26 outside. That's even worse. It's definitely going to be 28 in here by now. Yeah, anyway. Congratulations, Rugmat. I mean, you did win it via your bot, so some people might deem it unfair, I guess. Sorry, I only speak free nib units. Eagles per gun as a fallback. Wonderful. Well, I'm glad someone did that, because, you know, it's been a while. It's been a while. Is this gear gonna look okay? That's the question. I guess there's only one way to know, chat. There's only one way to find out. What happened to the redeem points? Well, Jonathan, we are not affiliated anymore. We are not affiliated with Twitch, and therefore, we do not have any channel points. But have no fear, we're gonna get them back. We're gonna get something back. It's not exactly the same. It's not exactly the same, but you will get something back soon. Very soon. I'm hoping. Oh, I could just use a square. I just realized I could just use a square instead of the triangle. Instead of the triangle, we can actually just use squares because we can rotate them. Oh no, hold on. Wait. Yeah, that's not from that. can't even... Aren't you a Figma expert, Jonathan? I think you're like a Figma expert, right? I think? I suggest you to edit the vector instead. Yeah. Yeah. So, okay. So, okay. I'm happy to hear this. Okay. Let me just tell you. Let me get rid of these rectangles, okay? Which is kind of cool. Oh, wow. Rugmat. Did your... No. Did your bot just land? I think you did it. I love how I'm also looking directly at it. I think you did it. I think you've done it, Rugmat. That's so funny. I think it's happened. It's actually happened. Wow. You've actually done it. You've actually landed. Yeah, this is major. It's not 100. This is major inception. It's major not 100, inception. But... Oh my god. I can't believe this. This is what you want. Okay. So, Jonathan, this is basically what's happening here. I have a star. I want the star to look... I want the star to look like the gear icon underneath. So let me show you what the gear icon is. I think you know it. It's the gear icon from Twitch. So... Yeah, I'm not really sure how to do that. Yeah, give me a tip. Go for it. Go for it. Yeah, absolutely. Because I've been doing pretty well with the other stuff. I've been doing pretty well with like these shapes and like some of the other shapes here. Like these I've use a rectangle and do a huge border radius. Oh, okay. So this is a vector graphic someone did. So, okay. Rectangle. Interesting. Okay. Rectangle. Rectangle. So it's probably about this big. Then edit the vector of the rectangle and create some points to do the bumps and move a pixel off. You'll need 2 points for each bump. Okay, so border radius of like 40 gets me a circle, right? Is that what you're saying? And then, hold on. How do you make bumps? Do you double click and then you... Ooh, I forget this. How do you make bumps again? Oh, I forget this. Do the circle smaller. Oh, smaller, okay. Okay. So it's like this. Let me just give it a different fill so we can see what we're working with here. Okay. And now, I remember there was a thing to edit the vector. So when you double click it, like this? Yeah, exactly. So now I'm in the vector, but if I do like that, oh, I see. So I can make like, but how can I get it to like, that's so cool. Add 2 points for each bump. Ah. Yeah, right. I see, yeah. How do you add more? Like this, right? Interesting. Oh, no. How do I know if the Miggy has a tutorial doing the same icon? The thing is that I found this existing one. Hold on, let me just put this here for a sec. I found this existing star one which is a Figma vector. Technically, I could like edit this one, right? Because this is already a vector. What I'm trying to figure out is how to get this part filled underneath. Because it's using stroke. Oh, wait, I think this is the thing. Hold on. Because it's using stroke and not fill. If I were to change this to be like this, I think we could do, you can fill and then subtract. Exactly. Hold on. This is really close already. Oh, it's not that one. Hold on. Crap. It's stroke effect. No. Fill. Yeah. So like this. How do we do a subtract? Can we do an effect for that? Or you add another fill and then subtract? How does that do? Or you have to have another circle to do that. You have to add a second shape, right? I think so. Yeah, exactly. You have to create a... Okay. Okay, hold on. So let's go star. So fills like that. Then we do a circle. So the circle is like there. And then you select both shapes and it will appear the option on top. Interesting. Okay. This one and this one. You can also create an empty space in the circle. So I've selected both of them.
Welcome in, Josh Lua Demon.
I'm late in arriving, but holy inception, Batman. Hi, Josh. If you move the point you have in the circle. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay, hold on. No, that didn't work. I think I selected more than one of them. Hold on. Put this over here. No. How did that work? Maybe I need to watch a short tutorial thing. Ah, use as mask. Create component, edit object, use as mask. Ah, wait, it has to be above the other one. It's like this. No? Subtract selection. Ah! I got it. We got it. Okay. We got it. And I think this is pretty good. Let's see the comparison. Okay. Okay, same shape. Oh, this is Figma, Josh. I'm actually using Figma. Hold on a second. Okay, mine are a bit thicker. Hold on. I need to edit these points somehow. Because I think... they're too thick. Check Discord. Why? Is it important?
Welcome in, Added Panda.
Yeah, I know. It's the Apple drops shabam thing. They put, so, okay, let me tell you about this, okay? They put this Apple TV promo thing on every single channel, despite the fact that you cannot subscribe on a community channel. That's what they've done. They've decided everyone should see this. So that's why you have this Apple TV promo crap. Yeah, absolute losers. Twitch are losers. By the way, Rugmat hit 99.89 in the drop game. Let's watch the clip again. It's a great clip. Which is kind of cool. Rugmat! Did your... No. No. No, no, no. Did your bot just land? I think you did it. I think you did it. I think you've done it, Rugmat. I think it's happened. It's actually happened. Wow. You've actually done it. You've actually landed. It's not 100. It's not 100. It's not 100, but... Oh my god. I can't believe this. So yeah, that happened. So yeah, so... Jonathan, you were saying I could do something. Ace drop is a scam. You perform better on Maddie's. The irony. It only took 3 years. It only took 3 years for someone to actually get something significant in this game. Yeah. This is wrong. We need to edit that. Okay. So you were saying I can also do this circle in one shape. That's kind of neat. But also I just don't care enough. That's the problem. I just simply don't care enough. I can just do this and that's sufficient. like that's I don't have that level of patience. Yeah. Clowns are still statistically the best emote category. But it is cool to know that there are more advanced options. Gear. It's cool to know that there are more advanced options. I mean, let's see how good it is, okay? You're gonna see it at about this size. I'm guessing. Maybe like this. Okay. Do you see me toggling it? Barely. There's hardly any difference. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. For a non-designer, I'd say it's pretty good. All right, let's do the chat button. I think it's basically the same as the follow button. It's this one. Yeah, it's that one. So we'll put that down here. Chat button. Rugmat. White Panther, why haven't you congratulated Rugmat on winning the prize of the drop game? Are you jealous? Is that what it is? You're jealous, aren't you? I want to do 50% pass-through in order to nail this. So there's no heart in this one. Goodbye. There's just the button itself, which is like that. And then there's the text, which is just chat. And I assume like that. Look at that. Look at that, chat. Look at that. I mean, look how close this is. Basically the same. Nice. Okay, so we did the bottom part. Nice. So I'm gonna put this whole thing. Oh, the gear actually goes down here, and the chat button goes down here. Okay, so we have chat box, border, blah blah blah, and then this whole thing I'm gonna put into a group called chat bottom. If I click the chat in the overlay instead of the actual chat window one more time, I think I'm going to throw something at my monitor. You're gonna send me a tutorial. Do that. Send it in our Discord. Tag me in like the tech general channel or something, and definitely link that because I think it'd be cool. Be cool to have that. Very cool. I think this is correct now. Yeah. Okay. So we have the bottom of the chat box is 90px. So now we have to export this very carefully. We have to export. What polygons are these? What polygons are these?
Welcome in badcop_.
Hey, badcop_. What category am I streaming in? This is the category of people doing fun stuff on Twitch. What's the problem? Don't see any issues. I see no issues whatsoever. I see zero problems with this. How you doing, Bad Cop? Should we get you a little shout out?
Why?
Okay.
Why?
Okay, Bad Cop. Would you like a different intro?
This one.
Would you like a different intro? Because we can do that for you. Oh, is it perfect? Okay. Thanks, Jonathan. I saw that.
This one.
Okay, so we want the header. We want the left bar. We want the left bar in the non-highlighted finite singularity version. Hold on one second. So anyone from the claw.
Making a little pond with my pieces. Heck yeah.
Anyone from the claw team, if you would like your tagline changed, please just let me know. Like if you want your tagline here to read something else, as long as it fits here in one line, then it's no problem. It's not an issue. I will put whatever you want in here. Except Maddles, if you're watching this, Maddles, you can only have uwu as your tagline. So yeah. But Bad Cop, I think, yeah. I'm gonna just do this. Okay, so finite singularity. Is finite still streaming? Yeah. So we could ask Finite live actually, if he wants something else in theory. We need the left bar. We don't need the video player. We need the about section. Without the preview. We need the follow button. We need the view count icon. We need the, no, we don't need the uptime. We need the share icon. We need the kebab. And then we need chat bottom. Okay, so this should be the base layout. This should work. Watch this. Export. Gotta select the right place. OBS. Images. Twitch UI layout. Okay, nothing broke. That's good. Now I just need to edit the... I need to edit the size of the browser source. Oh, that's going to be interesting. Prepare yourselves, chat. Where is the browser source? It's in here. Okay, I don't know where that window is. It's somewhere. There, like, I have the window somewhere. I just don't know where it is right now. There is the window. The window is somewhere. Where is it? Where is the window? I don't see it. This is horrible. I don't see the window, chat. So the issue is that I have an issue with my OBS because it crashed. And now it doesn't draw the context menus. So I don't actually know where the thing is. I need to change that browser source. I can only change the browser source if I actually get context menus. Twitch UI, browser chat, gear icon, properties. I don't see any other windows. That's the crazy thing. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this offline. Oh, it's annoying. It's annoying. Yeah, I don't know how to do this. Don't know how to do that. Unfortunately. Yeah. Well, that's the way it is, chat. Anyway, we are going to wrap up for today, I think. What I would like to do next is do the highlighting on the right for when people get shouted out. That's definitely a thing. What do we think of this is the question. How do you all feel about it? What's your opinion on it? What do you think about it, chat? I'd love to know. Do you think it's a fad? Do you think that after 2 or 3 streams you're going to be bored of it? Do you think I'm going to be bored of it? What kind of improvements do you want to see? If you have suggestions, of course, drop them in the Discord or comment on my Patreon stream recaps, right? You can read about every single stream that we've had for free. It's literally free. Watch this. All I have to do is press one button. Look at this. It's the end of the stream. Let the credits roll. Thank you everybody for the support and follows today. We'll be back tomorrow at our usual streaming time, which is 1 hour and 20 minutes from now. Yeah, the fireworks have already started and my window is like half open because of the aircon. It's going to get ridiculously loud in here. And I have to turn on the aircon so that the office doesn't fill with smoke. But we'll be back tomorrow. What are we doing tomorrow, you ask? It's great that you asked that question. What are we doing tomorrow? We are going to be doing data cleaning with AI. We're going to attempt to clean... No, tomorrow. 1 hour and 20 minutes from now, tomorrow. No, that's not right. 20 minutes from now. Almost now when we're ending is the start time tomorrow. Thank you very much for the follows. SecOps Gang and a series of other accounts that look very suspicious. And Veggie. Thank you very much for those follows. We'll see each other tomorrow, hopefully. And if not, on Monday for news again. Data news and stuff. We are going to be rating our good friend Zach Bussey, streamer news extraordinaire. The reason we are rating Zach is very simple. Zach is on the front page of Twitch right now. So we're going to say hello, we're going to say goodbye, and I'm going to see you very soon in like 24 hours basically. So have a great one everyone. See you. Goodbye. Take care.